Are you there?
For attention, please.
If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets are an especially good value. Maximize your visit by downloading the official Disneyland app to purchase tickets, access park maps, view attraction wait times.
Such a beautiful morning. Little overcast, little gray, but there is some blue sky right above Disneyland. The smell of fresh coffee. Oh, and ears! So I take all of my previous statements back. It is not a gorgeous morning. It already started to rain, unfortunately, but we will make the best of it. What is shaking, guys? Welcome back. It is a rain-soaked morning. It's actually not too bad. It's just a light little drizzle. I get the umbrella. Ashley gets the poncho. She's hiding. She's hiding. So, I guess this whole umbrella thing, I just have to thank her because she made me buy it in Florida. So, I wouldn't be able to vlog if I didn't have this umbrella right now. But unfortunately, that means no SL2, no fancy camera. But that means more battery for tonight. And that's when that camera really seemed to shine yesterday, was at night. So we're headed to Fantasyland, and then we're headed over to Haunted Mansion since we didn't ride it last night. So let's just see what we can do in this rain-filled Sunday. Guys, it is a ghost town on this side of the park. Like, there's no one over here. Remember, when it rains, it clears out.
No, she went.
Alright, we're headed to Snow White's Scary Adventure. We just rode Mr. Toad. Don't worry, we're going to be back and ride all of these later tonight with the better camera so we can actually take you guys along, since we kind of got a good idea of how the camera looks in low light last night. So that's the plan, but we'll still take you along today and do what we can. And like I said, hopefully this rain passes and we can have some fun adventures no matter what. Ever so lightly raining down. It's so weird. It goes from blue skies to gray and rainy, back to blue skies. I don't get it. Right now it's actually drizzling with blue skies. So guys, let's do a little catching up. As you guys saw, we rode Snow White. When we came off, what are you doing? When we came off, Peter Pan was really short, so we hopped in that line. It was literally about a 15-minute wait. It's never that short. So we got extremely, extremely lucky. And I wish we could ride Thunder, but it's closed and they're working on it. When it rains, Thunder is always shut down. But anyways, we were able to ride Peter Pan, which we never get to do. And it started to rain, and luckily we were undercover. And then we came out and the rain was stopped. So it was perfect for us. But as you can see, there are some clouds back there. It will no doubtedly start to rain again. So we're headed over to Haunted Mansion. So let's see exactly how busy this park is, because Fantasyland was empty. It's getting a little more crowded now that the rain has kind of let up. But you guys got to see this. There's like no one out. Quick point of note. It is creepy over here on Big Thunder Trail without Big Thunder Mountain Railroad going off. I mean, it is really, really creepy how quiet it is, especially since there's no one over here. 9:15, it's usually not too crowded. This is like true, like Old West. It's a ghost town, because I had to, but it's a ghost town. I mean, are we at Knott's Berry Farm and we're in Ghost Town? Because I've never seen Disneyland like this. It's actually quite refreshing.
That's the Lensman calling out the death marker so we can avoid running aground. Mark Twain! Mark Twain is not just the name of a riverboat or a great American author. It also means the water here is too fast. proceed on our steam-powered journey along the rivers of America. On our trip, we'll visit the magnificent Columbia of the Great Northwest, the graceful Missouri of the windswept plains, and the rugged Rio Grande along the border of Texas and Mexico. I'll be sure to point out interesting sights along the way, and even tell you about a legend or two.
Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at.
Now, I know the footage wasn't great. Haunted Mansion is very hard to film, at least with just a phone. As I said, hopefully later we can pull the camera out and get some better footage. But in the meantime, I'm feeling the churro, maybe of a spicy cinnamon kind. So I got my churro, the Burning Love Churro, and I can't even hold it that close to my face. It's cinnamon, all right, and we got the little dipping sauce.
I was looking at it.
But will you stop? But it's very cinnamony. It's the Red Hots, the tamale red. That's what it is. Tamale Red Hots. It's
You need
just.
to try it with the dip.
It's well. Well, first let me. I just try it. Just,
I'll like.
Again. Ooh. Much like the maple bacon last night. It's more the smell that you know, and then at the end, after you eat it, that creeps up on you. That woo. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it with the dipping sauce. Let's try it with the sauce.
Oh, get some on there.
I gotta get some on there. I gotta get some.
There you go.
There we go. Okay. Let's. Oh, yeah. Get it with the dipping sauce, and I have to say, I'm eating this much more neatly than Adam the Woo did. That's good with the sauce. Kind of, it's literally just cream cheese and creme fraiche mixed together, so it's not really thick. And Ashley's gonna do it on her normal churro because she's boring, so she got a normal churro. How is it? Normal churro. Good with the normal. So I highly recommend make sure you use the sauce, because unless you're a huge fan of tamale Red Hots, and I'm definitely not. The only time I eat them is on apples. My grandma makes a great like candy apple with them, but otherwise, this churro isn't bad. I like it more than the maple bacon last night. So definitely something to try. This is the Burning Love Valentine's Churro, which you can find at the cart right outside of Haunted Mansion. Guys, this is a miracle. One, me climbing stairs while talking to you guys is a miracle, but Ashley is going on the treehouse. She's a little afraid because she doesn't like that bridge. She can do it. I hope. Okay, I lied. She bailed. So it's just me. It's just me and you guys. She just can't do this bridge. She's petrified of heights, as many of you know. So we're going to explore the treehouse a little bit. This is definitely not a view that I get to see very often. So much fun up here. It's been so long. Oh, good. We're starting to make our way down. Whew. Even I get a little weary. All right. I think we can start making our way down. Find Ashley so she doesn't wander. Hey, she can't buy anything. I have her wallet. So that's a plus. And I have my wallet, so yeah, she couldn't do this. Oh, it's a whole lot different than Swiss Family Robinson. All right, I think you're just about down. Oh, I hope. Okay. Oh, it's wet stairs. Wet stairs. This isn't good. Oh, okay. Whew, I found the landing. How about a whew? There's Moana. Okay. Where's Ashley? Uh-oh. Okay, I made it down. Oh, hey. Hi. You know, yeah, okay. Sure. Whew. Oh, that was fun. And I'm glad I didn't lose her. Oh, hey, look what I found. That looks awfully familiar. And this song. Yell here. Into here? Oh, okay. Are you there? It didn't yodel back. This is the loaded Dole Whip.